Imagine becoming instantly more attractive without changing your looks at all. Sounds impossible, right? But there is one habit that makes people naturally drawn to you. And the best part? Anyone can do it starting today. The habit is this: being fully present. In a world addicted to distraction, presence feels rare, and rare things are attractive. Why presence is powerful: when you're truly present, people feel seen, they feel important, and they feel safe around you. That emotional impact is far more powerful than perfect features. What presence looks like. Presence starts with eye contact, steady but relaxed. Then, remove distractions. Listen without planning your next sentence. Pause before responding. And lean slightly in when someone shares something meaningful. Why people crave presence. Being present tells others, you matter. Most people rarely hear that message, verbally or non-verbally. So when you offer presence, it feels refreshing. It feels grounding. It feels attractive. How to practice presence. Daily. Start small. Focus fully on the next person you speak to. Put your phone face down. Slow your breathing. Let silence be part of the conversation. And remind yourself, right now is enough. When you build this habit, your charisma grows naturally. People open up to you more. They trust you faster. And they remember how you made them feel. So if you want to become instantly attractive, be present. It costs nothing. It takes little time. And it creates powerful, lasting connection. Try it today and watch how people respond.